What's up guys? So if your Mi TV remote is not working, in this video I am going to show you two ways that can possibly help you fix this issue. So first things first, if all of the buttons in the remote control is not working and the TV is not responding to the remote control, what you just want to go ahead and do is to press on the Mi button on your remote control together with the home button, that is this O button over here. Now in some remote control you're going to get the Mi button over here, but whether you have the Mi button or not, just go ahead and press on this button together with the O button, that is the home button over here. So just press them together at the same time and hold it for about 5 seconds. So just press and hold for about 5 seconds at the same time. Now your TV is going to display this instruction button. Now what you just want to go ahead and do is to press on the Mi button and the O button once again, and you're going to hear a beep sound on the TV showing that it is now connected to the TV. Now you can now go ahead and try controlling your TV with the remote control, and you can see that mine actually works properly. Now if you tried the first method and it didn't work for you, another thing you want to go ahead and do is to go ahead and pull out the batteries on your remote control. So just remove the battery covers, pull out the batteries, and make sure that your batteries are actually good, because sometimes you may not know that this battery actually drain so fast. So make sure that the batteries on your remote control are actually good. And once you've removed the batteries, you just want to go ahead and press on this power button for about 5 seconds. So just hold and press on the power button, long press on it for about 5 seconds. And after the 5 seconds, you just want to go ahead and put on your batteries again. Also make sure that they are good batteries. And once you're done, you just want to go ahead and try controlling your TV again. Trust me, majority of the time this is actually what will fix the issue with your remote control. So basically those are the two ways for you to fix your Mi TV remote control if it has any issue of it not working properly or not responding with the TV. If this video was helpful guys, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.